Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are fabulous today. So as you know, in my add-ons in the last season's FabFitFun box for spring, added on the Smile Sciences mint flavored teeth whitening kit, and it says it's gonna whiten my teeth up to 10 shades whiter and formulated to reduce sensitivity. Now, I've had my teeth professionally bleached by my dentist before. I've also been a victim of the crest whitening strips. Those stripped my enamel so bad and made my teeth so sensitive, and my dentist told me to never use them again. Then, as you guys saw, I tried to go the natural route and tested it out. On my channel was the black charcoal teeth whitening mixture, that little gimmicky ass seen on TV. Tried that out. That didn't work. So we're going to try this one out today. I got it on FabFitFun. I believe I paid about 20 bucks for it. And it is the tiniest little kit. Oop. It comes with a little mouth tray. Obviously, I'm going to need that. Then it comes with the little lighting thing. I haven't opened any of this, so you guys are going to learn and go along with me. It comes with these two little syringes of the gel stuff. And, oh wait, one's a gel and the other one's like a little, it looks like a gel, but I don't know, there's a little brush tip at the end of it. So I guess they're different things. And then it comes with these two little Q-tips with, I don't know what the hell. So we're going to try to figure this out together. And it came with this little shade chart. And whoever has shade 20, Lord help yo teeth. I thought mine were bad. This card made me feel so much better about my smoker's teeth. So I smoke, and I would say I'm probably, I don't know, maybe about a 4 or 5. What do you guys think? Now looking at this card, I don't feel so bad about my teeth, but I don't know. I think I'm probably, honestly, about a 4 or a 5. Maybe at my worst, a 6. So, let's see. So, yeah, you guys are going to get very, very, very up close and personal with me. And that's what we're doing today. We're going to see if this actually works. So, let's start with number 1. I haven't even read the instructions, you guys. We're gonna do this and fail together. Okay. It says 1, molding the thermo-fitting mouth trays. That would be these babies. Bring 4 inches of water to a boil and remove from heat to cool for 6 or 7 minutes. Submerge, wait, what? Okay, got it. Submerge one of the mouth trays into the hot water for 12 seconds until tray appears soft. Important. For best results, do not overheat mouth trays.
Okay. Close your mouth and suck all the air and excess water from the tray, creating a suction between the tray and your teeth. Gently push the tray against the front of your teeth by pushing against your upper lip and wait 12 to 15 seconds before removing the tray from your mouth. Place the tray into the cup of cold water for 12 seconds to complete curing process.
Oh, okay. Okay. I feel like I'm already going to F this up, you guys. All right. But I'm going to go ahead and let's head to my kitchen to boil these mother suckers. And now we're just waiting for it to boil. Now, I've decided just to do a voiceover. It'd be a lot quicker and faster, otherwise we'd be here forever. But I'm just dipping my first tray into the boiling hot water and putting that in my mouth and leaving that in there and biting down really hard. You got to create a suction, and because I get lip injections, I had to push on my lips
to get that suction, and I still didn't get enough suction. But the good thing is, if you don't get the teeth imprint you want the first time, you can dip in again. Now I'm just doing the same thing with the bottom tray and putting that baby in my mouth for about 15-20 seconds until I get the right mold. And now we're going to take the gel that's in the little plastic syringe, and you're going to want to put like a tiny dot, so that way you don't get any spillage in each little tooth groove. So you're just going to go along the teeth grooves and put little dots in. You want to make sure it doesn't overspill onto your gums because that can irritate them. So now I'm just placing both into my mouth, and you're going to have to try to create a suction once again. I did not find these to be very comfortable. I have kind of a tiny mouth, so people with bigger mouths might find this a little more comfortable than I did, but I did not find these comfortable. And then you have to put in the UV light as well, and you're supposed to leave this in for like 20 to 30 minutes. I had the hardest time because it was just so uncomfortable. You can't swallow your saliva in case any of that bleachy stuff gets in. It's not bleach, but whatever the concoction is, you can't swallow it. So I ended up freaking drooling on myself. So after about 10 minutes, I said the hell with it and gave up. I did not want to do this any longer. As you can see, I'm drooling on myself there. So now we're going to go rinse it out. I only made it 10 minutes, like I said, but you know, what can you do? Let's hope it did something. So all you have to do is rinse the trays out and rinse your mouth out with water. I do see a little bit of a lightening with it, so far not bad. Just rinsing a couple of times and getting all of that crap out. But here we are, and it actually does look a couple of shades lighter. I'm not mad at it for only 10 minutes.
Okay, you guys, so did this work? Absolutely. But I only left it on for half the time because I had so much saliva building up in my mouth that it was starting to get into the trays. And it was just becoming too impossible. I couldn't do it anymore. So I didn't get the full effect, but my teeth actually look a couple shades lighter. And the good news is in this little syringe, I probably have about 4 or 5 more uses out of this. So I'm going to try again in about a week or so. And then this pen, I was reading on this while I was, letting this sit on. This little whitening pen is to keep it white in between. So it's, your basic little pen you twist up, paint it on your teeth. And then it says to let it dry and keep it on there for like 20 to 30 minutes. Oh no, it says let the gel dry for 30 to 60 seconds and keep it on your teeth for 20 minutes. So the only thing I don't get is it doesn't tell you how often to do this, if you're supposed to do it every day or once a week, or I don't know how often I'm supposed to do this. But I actually think this would be a lot easier than the trays. The trays, I have a tiny little mouth and they just were not comfortable. And even with molding them to my teeth, it still, I don't know, it still wasn't tight enough on there. So I don't know. Maybe I need to remold them again and make them a little bit tighter, but too much saliva was going in. Luckily, I didn't really need the vitamin E swabs for my gums. The trays, as far as height goes, fit me pretty decently, and I didn't put the gel up that high. So I didn't have any over spillage, but if you do have spillage over, you just use that to wipe it off. But all in all, this was a great investment, you guys. I'll keep using it and let you guys know how it's going, and I will keep you guys updated throughout my videos, and I highly recommend it. So I think you can still get this through the FabFitFun website. I got the little starter kit I did see that they have the kits online somewhere for $200. When I was looking them up, mine did not cost $200, and their kit looked like it had the same exact amount of stuff as mine did. So you can definitely find them cheaper. You don't have to pay no $200. Go look on the FabFitFun website or go to smilesciences.com or any of their social media. Just type in Smile Sciences. It'll take you right to their site, and you'll be able to find a good deal on this. Like I said, I paid like 20 bucks for it, and it's working great so far. It does kind of remind me of the Crest white strips. We'll see how sensitivity goes. On the first one, my teeth don't feel any more sensitive, but again, on the first white strip too, you don't feel any sensitivity either. So again, we'll see how it goes. So we finally found something that's working. Again, this is my first time doing it, and I only did it half the time, so it's working. I'll keep you guys posted on it. So that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you in a couple of days with another video. Love you guys so much. Mwah.